Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm at Cobra and be doing another end frame, a complete end frame on the C-15 MXS. The head's already off. And you can see all this stuff's here. Yeah, doing this for my brother Nick. No, don't cry, he'll be a monster.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a cool project. We're gonna make it look like a crate engine again. 28 it is. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, how's it going? So this is where we are right now. So as you can see, we stripped this thing down to nothing. It's just a block and a crank. Even the front cover's off, and on the intake side, everything's off. This time we even took the ECM out. Guys, so I just want to let everybody know that this is our spec from now on. If you guys come to me, I'm gonna give you a true rebuild. A literally true rebuild. So there's no cutting corners, nothing. The manufacturer out, everything's out. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make it look like a crate motor again. Hey guys, so this is where we are at right now. As you can see, the front cover is back on, and so the new engine mounts for the front, and I primed it, painted it, as you can see. The same thing before, like before. Those block plugs have new O-rings, and then the block is all clean. The threads are clean. Everything is resealed nice. I'm gonna take you to intake side now. So everything's painted. There's no ECM, so everything is literally painted. And soon, me and Tony, say hi. We're gonna drop these liners in tonight. Okay, so guys, you can see we got the liners in, and she's looking pretty good. So tomorrow we're gonna come back and do the liner perfusion, make sure the liner height is okay, and she's looking pretty good so far. And that's a new spacer plate we had to install, because the old spacer plate was so overheated. I don't want to take that risk of using it. She's looking pretty good.
Yeah, we're awesome. Come down. Come down all the way. She's in.
Awesome job, guys.
We're here. Huh? We're here.
So that's top. You will. So the backlash is adjusted, and the cam gear is installed and torqued down to spec. Just finished painting the head to cover up all the head internals. pretty good. Hey guys, so we got all the internal work done, and this is what we did with the peanut cover this time. White, yellow, and my sticker. And as you can see, the valves are all adjusted, marked, torque down to spec, and the oil pan's on as well. Tomorrow we're just gonna continue on the exhaust side, and we'll be firing her up soon. Hey guys, how's it going? It's a Saturday today, and it was basically a painting day today. We're gonna do a little walk around. This is how we paint parts. We paint every single thing separately. And then oil cooler. This is where your engine oil filter goes. That hooks up to that one. The bonnet. There's the back part of the water pump. So this is how we paint. Everything separately and not spraying paint on the parts that are on the motor and ruining everything. Guys, so this is where we're at right now. As you can see, this is the exhaust side, high pressure turbo is on. I'm still working on it. Tomorrow we're gonna finish this because there's some more stuff getting painted. Wanna let it cure overnight. The balancer is on, and one to the intake side. New hoses. They were pretty brittle, so we had to change it. Tomorrow we're gonna paint the ECM black and then install it. And we are reprogramming this ECM to 600 horsepower. So right now, before the rebuild, this engine had 475, and now we're bumping it up to 600. Well, 625 to the VS. Morning. Here's Vic. Amazing. That's amazing. Hey guys, so we are done with this engine end frame and making a final video. As you can see, we got a little custom work done on this motor this time. So engine rebuilt by Chopra Motors for Cobra Float. And I'm gonna show you. I'll come down and show you the rust. Let's see. It's a brand new motor. So 6 1/4 cat built by Chopra Motors for Cobra Float service.